So, guys, welcome back. I'm gonna explain why I've been banned from live streaming. It's because of YouTube. Yeah, I coughed my lungs up within 9 seconds. I was on the live for about the first 2 minutes, and I coughed within like 10 seconds before I hit 2 minutes. I got banned for 3 months. What the fuck's YouTube going wrong? YouTube is broken. I get banned for coughing. Away even smoking, and plus half my lives are not made for kids. They're all 18 and over. So why would I get banned for coughing? Exactly. Come on, YouTube. Come on. Fucking start behaving yourselves and stop fucking banging me. Why'd you ban me for? I've never been banned on a live stream. I did my did like 3, 4 lives, and you didn't ban me then, but you banned me about 3 weeks ago for jack shit. Honestly. Well, this video will be uploaded within the second I fucking finish this clip. But all I say is, YouTube, if you don't fucking give me my live stream access back, and then I'm gonna sue you. I'm gonna sue your ass. Yeah, YouTube are gonna get sued from me, and it won't be It won't be like a fucking pretty pennies. It'd be millions. So watch, guys. Fucking share this all. Subscribe, leave a like, and put a comment says this ain't, and put a comment down below